Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. Just starting this restoration YouTube channel, so I hope you guys enjoy the videos that I post. Hope you guys end up liking and subscribing as well. For the first video, I'm going to be doing the Jordan 12 playoffs. These are my little brothers. They are a kid size. Hopefully some of you guys, it won't matter for you. Not really much anything different from the adult size in these. I mean, a couple inches, but you can still do the same job if you plan on fixing your playoff 12s. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning them. There are going to be some pictures that I'm going to be posting for you guys, so you can see like before and after, and you can see me do some work, maybe speed up the video or something like that. So please enjoy, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask at all on what I'm using or what I'm doing. But I am using Angelus paint, so you can get that stuff at angelusdirect.com. Thanks. Okay, so as you can see, I cleaned them up. You saw the video portion of it, me cleaning them. They came out a lot better. They look good, obviously because they've been cleaned. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start painting them, taking out the laces and then painting them up. So, continue to enjoy. As you can see right here, I'm showing you some midsole separation that's going on. It's not too bad, but it needs to definitely be glued back together. Okay, well, as you can see, I just got done re-gluing. It's just gonna have time to set, and then we'll go ahead and start pinning it back up. But as you can see there, it's not separating at all anymore. Okay, so as of right now, I have all the white done. I just got done. I might have to hit it up with a couple more coats. But as of right now, it's all been painted up. I gotta get to the black, as you'll see in a little bit. Touch up some other spots. I have some white paint there, but that's okay because that's gonna be painted black. So it came out overall, you know, pretty nice. Everything looks pretty clean. Like I said, all the stuff that needs to be touched back up, it will be. Even the red on the Jumpman. That's that one, and that's this one here. Came out a lot nicer than I thought it would. Okay, so now you can see I have all the black done. Came out actually pretty good. Came out pretty nice actually. Shoes are almost done. I gotta touch up the red. Not bad. I mean, can't really see too much that it's got that stuff missing unless you're real close. So it's not too bad though. Came out really nice. A lot better than I thought it was. Almost done. Just got, like I said, I just gotta touch up the red here at the front, and I'm gonna try to touch up these here. So let's see what happens. Hey guys, thanks for watching my YouTube video on the restorations of the Playoff 12s. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And if you like my video, please don't hesitate to also subscribe. Thanks, have a great day.